Hi, it's James the Forager here, and today we delve into the world of Japanese knotweed, a plant with a controversial reputation. It's just down here. We'll explore how to identify this invasive species, understand the potential threat it poses to our house foundations, and unveil its surprising culinary potential. First, let's talk identification. Japanese knotweed, scientifically known as Fallopian japonica, or the tubes of Japan, is a perennial plant with a bamboo-like stem. It has heart-shaped leaves and it grows rapidly, reaching heights of up to 10 feet. Develops clusters of small, creamy white flowers during the summer season. You won't see a lot of this everywhere, but when you do see it, there'll be masses of it in one location. It spreads like wildfire. Why is Japanese knotweed a cause for concern? Well, its aggressive nature and ability to spread quickly make it a formidable invader. Its rhizomes can extend underground, damaging house foundations, roads, and other structures if left uncontrolled. There's a couple of ways of controlling it. Lots of people would spray it, but there's actually some evidence out there to say that consuming it and cutting it back regularly could be one of the ways of controlling it. However, in the midst of this invasive chaos lies a surprising twist: the culinary potential of Japanese knotweed. Believe it or not, this plant has been embraced by adventurous foragers for its unique flavour and versatile culinary applications. Let's explore how we can incorporate Japanese knotweed into our culinary adventures. It has a tart, slightly sweet, slightly lemony taste. The easiest thing to describe it to would be rhubarb. And because of this, Japanese knotweed can be used in various recipes. One popular option is to turn it into a tangy compote or jam. One of my favourites is Japanese knotweed and ginger jam. Another creative way to enjoy it is by incorporating it into salads, stir fries, or even as a unique ingredient in homemade sushi rolls. Its crunchy texture and refreshing flavour are an excellent twist to most familiar dishes that might call for rhubarb. Think knotweed and apple crumble. But remember, foraging responsibly is crucial. We need to ensure we have permission to harvest Japanese knotweed, and it's considered a heavily invasive species in many areas. You can be fined if you're caught spreading this species. As far as I'm aware, these fines can go up to £10,000, so we have to pick this and dispose of it properly. It's essential to dispose of it properly. Any leftover plants that you haven't consumed need to be either boiled or burnt or frozen. Typically, I would do two of these things. So I would freeze it and then boil it before discarding. But the easiest way is to only pick what you know you're going to eat. Only pick stems and just make sure you eat the lot. So there you have it. Japanese knotweed, a plant that brings both challenges and surprises. Let's be mindful. Let's stay informed. Let's think about its destructive potential when we're picking it. Let's embrace its culinary adventures. Enjoy Japanese knotweed.